Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Today we're looking at a 4-bedroom HMO conversion that we're currently doing at the moment. If you've been following our journey, this is going to be an update for the progress of where we're at the moment. So let's jump inside and start this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Let's jump inside. Welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, and today we're in this 4-bedroom HMO property. Originally this was a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, and what we've done is we've added 4 bedrooms with en-suites and a kitchen communal area. Currently at the moment I'm in the kitchen communal area, and what we are at the stage of this build now at the moment, we've had the property fully plastered, which is great, and it's turned out phenomenally well, so I'm really happy with the result. We are just waiting for the plaster to fully dry out at the moment. As you probably might be aware, is that we can't really paint on wet plaster. We've got to make sure it's nice and dry, so the quality of the plaster is maintained, but also that we don't obviously interfere with the paint, etc., that there might be a reaction with the paint and so forth. So it's better to actually wait for it to dry out fully, and then we start moving on with the next build. Now in the kitchen communal area, the next stage in here will be obviously second fix joinery, second fix electrics and plumbing, but the main thing is going to be the kitchen going in next. So that's been ordered, we're waiting for that to arrive, and as soon as that arrives we can obviously start and get that kitchen installed as well. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at what's been going on in the rooms and carry on with this week's Refurb Wednesdays. Okay, so currently I'm in bedroom number 4 with its own ensuite. This is the biggest bedroom of the lot, which is great. So it's going to be a nice big double bedroom, just like all our bedrooms in all our HMOs. So as you can see, we're still waiting for the actual plaster to dry. But previously before, with the actual property, we had a massive big hole in here. Main reason was because we knocked the chimneys down. So the actual steels have gone in to support the chimney, so the chimney doesn't actually fall through, and that's an important thing. We don't want the chimney kind of imploding, damaging all the great work that we've actually done on this property. So that's all been done, met to building regs officer is happy with that. So once the build's finished, we can get that tick in the box, so we can get that certificate for our clients on this property. So what needs to be done in the property now is, as I said, is second fix electrics, second fix plumbing, and the joinery as well, with like architraves and also our skirting boards all gone in the property. So it'll just look nice and fresh, and then obviously the doors basically put on as well, so we can get ready for decoration up here. En-suites need to be going in as well into all the properties, so that'll go in well. Looking forward to that because we've tweaked the en-suites from our previous ones, so I'm looking forward to showing you like the finished product, so you can see the difference between the last en-suites we're doing and the ones that we have now. So we've changed the design slightly, which is great. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys the finished product of that. So it should be a number of weeks till you see that. Let's jump into the next bedroom and see what's happening there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 3 at the moment, and the same things need to get done here with bedroom number 4 as well. So we've got second fix electrics, plumbing, joinery, and obviously the en-suites need to go in here and will be decoration. And this property will be sound to kind of start looking at renting out. So I'm looking forward to showing this progress. If you want to see other progress for our other properties, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel and like this video and hit that notification bell so you can see the progress of this property and other refurbs that we're doing. Remember to check out our videos on our channel for the other refurbs we've got going on at Refurb Wednesdays. But if you do want to profit from UK property with minimal time effort, then please make sure that you go over to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call. We'll look at your short-term and long-term goals and how we can help you redefine your retirement, start replacing your income one property at a time. So you can have those short-term and long-term goals and see what strategies are going to be best for you. Is it buy-to-let? Is it HMOs? So we can work around where you are currently at the moment and start working towards that long-term goal for you. Otherwise, you can head to Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and you can head to Property with Nic Clark, and you can track any progress that we've been doing, any messages you got, any questions you have got as well, or booking a free call there as well. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your channel, and also hit that notification bell for any updates on refurbs coming out at 6 p.m. on Refurb Wednesday.